developments. Meanwhile, more news coming in. A 27-year-old software engineer from Delhi was found dead under mysterious circumstances at a homestay in Mussoorie on the Mussoorie-Dhanolti Road on the morning of 15th June. She had checked in with her husband on Saturday night. P. Radha Gayatri was a resident of Kidwai Nagar in Delhi and worked for a tech firm in Gurgaon, according to the cops. Her husband is also a techie and is based in Pune. The couple had married on the 8th of November 2025 and the family is originally hailed from Visakhapatnam. Police received an emergency call around 7:30 a.m. on Monday informing them that a female guest was unconscious. A team of cops along with medical personnel rushed to the spot and found Gayatri dead. News coming in of a 27-year-old software engineer from Delhi, originally from Visakhapatnam, has been found dead under mysterious circumstances at a homestay on the Mussoorie-Dhanolti Road. This is news from the morning of the 15th of June. Remember this, the deceased had checked in with her husband on Saturday night. P. Radha Gayatri is the identity of the software engineer who's been found dead. My colleague Rumi with us on the broadcast. Rumi, take our viewers through the details, please.
Yes, Devika, very shocking incident coming in live from Mussoorie, Dhanolti Road. According to the police, now a woman's body was found from a homestay. This woman has been identified by police as P. Radha Gayatri, a resident of Shakarpur East in East Delhi. She worked with an IT company in Gurugram. Her husband, Soumya Sricharan, in fact, also worked for a firm in Pune, and the two were married in November 2025. Police has confirmed that the couple were in Mussoorie for a vacation and had reached the homestay late on the night of June 14th. They had started out from Delhi for Rishikesh on the 13th of June, following which they checked into a homestay in the Kiana Tipridhar area at 11:30 p.m. on the 14th of June. Police said that the two consumed liquor in their room before going to sleep at about 3:30 a.m. After that, her husband, in fact, thought that she was unconscious, but police later confirmed that she had, in fact, died under mysterious circumstances. Police has said that the husband told them that his wife was unresponsive when he woke up in the morning. He also noticed blood oozing from her mouth and immediately raised an alarm to the homestay owners. There were bloodstains in the rooms as per police reports, but there were no further updates on that. A forensic team also is inspecting the spot and has collected evidence. Chauhan's family had reached the place following the incident, of course, and they are waiting for a forensic test to be done, following which her final rites will be taking place. Yes.
All right.